Anti-narcotic cell of Goa police on Monday, that's yesterday, conducted in what we can call it as the biggest LSD liquid acid seizure by Goa police and have seized 110 grams of high micron LSD liquid worth rupees 11 crores 7 lakhs in the illicit market. The quantity of the liquid seized by ANC is sufficient enough to make approximately 10 to 12 lakhs LSD blots, or with what we call as LSD papers. The accused has been identified as Mr. Muhammad Samir. He is 29 years of age. He is a native of Palakkad, Kerala, and has been living in Goa for last 5 years. He was presently running a guest house in Baga. Accused also rented an independent house at Bamanwado, Siolim, where he operated this drug business.